Today, we are gonna make a science experiment. How to make a volcano. These are the things that we need: baking soda, vinegar, dishwashing liquid, red food coloring.
First, make a model of a volcano with an opening at the top. Second, fill the volcano with warm water and a few drops of red food coloring. Don't forget to ask a grown-up for help. Next, add dishwashing liquid and baking soda to the volcano. Lastly, slowly pour vinegar into the volcano and get ready for an eruption. Baking soda and vinegar mixed together produces carbon dioxide gas, which bubbles up, of course, with the help of the dishwashing liquid and forces lava to erupt. It's not magic, it's science. I hope you enjoy our experiment.